It does. Don't worry. But wherever you put that on, it's good.
Hi, I'm Roseanne Beard, and I teach pottery at Meadowbrook to all of the grades, K through 8. I was inspired to do this fish project because I think fish lend themselves to a lot of individual expression.
So I'm making a cooked fish, and I'm making it because when I was thinking about it, I was hungry.
These beautiful fish were made by 3rd and 4th grade students.
This is just kind of a new thing. We just started Arts Week this year, and as part of our planning for the event, we were thinking it would be nice to do a collaborative project each year. So the theme of fish just is kind of a new thing, but I'm excited about kind of thinking about what theme we'll do each year and how all of us can come together to create one kind of magnificent and impressive piece of art.
I'm making a koi fish, and just because they represent harmony and peace.
They vary in shape and in size, in color and form, and I thought it would be a good theme for every student to kind of springboard off of.
Just do it right here if you want.
I think it's really fun to do a collaborative project, so I think fish coming together to create a school, which we are, working together for a common kind of growth and purpose, kind of fell in line too with what I was thinking.